Okay, first step you have to do is remove the cover of this white box. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So you remove the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then you remove the white cover. Then you have to disconnect number 1. Okay, number 2, number 3, number 4. After you disconnected all the 4 connectors, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then you have to unscrew these 2 screws in 2 corners. You unscrew the 2 screws. 1, 2, and you remove the whole PCB card. After you remove your PCB card, you'll see this black wire which goes under your car. This is your antenna for a remote control. So just leave the card inside, turn the car up, unscrew this screw which holds your antenna, and just carefully remove the wire. Just remove your black wire and exchange your PCB card with the new one. That's it.